So we're in Fresno, California? That's a good question. Wherever we're at, somewhere in California, we just installed a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Up at the top, you've got copper plumbing to the home, which is very nice. I don't know about the age of the home or whether you've got PEX in the attic, but you've got copper stub out, so that's good. We did take the old valve off, which is a multi-turn gate valve, and put you a quarter turn, it's watts, quarter turn on, quarter turn off, quarter turn on. So we just soldered adapter on here, brand new valve, brand new brass nipple. Falcon stainless steel connectors. These are full 3/4 inch inside diameter. These are the largest in the industry. Very expensive, but that's what we like, that's what we use. Brass extensions on the bottom. So all these products flow very well as opposed to any iron pipe. Over on the other side, you already had an adapter installed, so we didn't touch that, just filed it down a little bit. And a connector as well on the hot side. Hot side doesn't require to have a valve, so that's installed. Got your new vent pipe. This is your ceiling bucket. It's painted over and it's got texture on it, but that's metal. And so ceiling bucket, dual wall B vent you can see existing in the attic. Then of course this is our brand new single wall vent pipe going up there. An adjustable 90 kind of offset to get it straight, and then the draft diverter. Relief valve comes with the water heater. This is for temperature and or pressure. Anything that goes on with the unit that's not correct, this thing will pop off and drain to the exterior. This is your copper line, drain line that goes down the wall and out to the exterior of the home. And then of course our Falcon stainless steel connector. You can see right here 3/4 inch inside diameter. So this is code for relief line, and it's the largest for water lines. Piece of galvanized pipe here. The reason why we put it in here, instead of wasting a brass nipple, which is about 4 times the cost of this, it's a drain line. All the water is down here in the brass. It stays right here. This is spring loaded, 150 psi. The only way that it's going to activate is if you activate it manually with this lever, or you've got temperature or pressure buildup in there that exceeds the rating of the water heater. Up at the top, we've got an adjustable strap on the upper third, adjustable strap on the lower third. Here you've got your serial number, model number. Serial number, you can take it over to bradfordwhite.com, register this product, and get your warranty going. It's 6 years. That's 1 year parts and labor, and then 2 years 2 through 6 is parts only. You'll have to pay for the labor on the unit. These last about 8 to 12 years, so you'll be in good shape there. Down at the bottom, I give you a new gas shutoff valve and a brand new gas connector. Over to the controller. We did go ahead and reinstall the valve. We'd asked you about it, and we just went ahead and put it back in. The one that comes with it is a quarter turn ball valve, but it's got a smaller port. This has almost a 3/4 inch diameter port, so when it comes to flushing, it's nicer because it allows a higher flow of water than the one. You know, Bradford White comes with brass valves, and they are ball valves as opposed to some of the other manufacturers. But this is a little larger, so we asked you, and you didn't really mind either way, so we just put it back in. Brass nipple into the tank, of course. That's our nipple. This is your valve. Then this is a little hose cap. It's just a little safety feature in the event somebody bumps this. You've got a cap on here. You're not flooding your garage out. We're going to go ahead and light this and get it going. We are going to leave this set to 120 degrees, which after it's lit, it's going to be right there. You can see that little dash right there pointing right at hot. That's approximately 120. A130, B140, C150, very hot 160 at B140. Third degree burns 3 seconds. Infants and elderly, 1 second, you're going to the hospital. So we recommend leaving it right here on hot. If you have any issues with hot water in the home, such as a shower, tub, or any single handle faucet, probably it's a cartridge. So we recommend not coming out here and turning this up. You can see right here, scalding risk increases with hotter water. So we're going to go ahead and set this to pilot, get this guy lit for you, and then you should have water in about 2 hours. Outside of that, this installation is done.